Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I sculpted fake nails on top of my fake nails. Yeah, so I'm using Henrietta, and I usually put the tips in like the cavity or like by the cuticle, but I wanted to do some really long nails because I have done quite a few tutorials featuring her and they're always the same shape. But I ordered some fake nails so I can do like longer extensions, because building on top of fake nails that don't stay put is real hard. So you're gonna have to excuse the shape a little bit on this. I did try my best, and filing, again, you know, it's not the easiest with Henrietta, as I've said many times, but I think it all comes together in the end. It's definitely not perfect, but the moral of the story is, you know, it's difficult to fake. No, difficult to extend nails on fake hands. Like, some of these just look so bad. But I tried. It took me like forever to do it. Anyway, so I took Marshmellow all over the nail, which you saw, and then I am taking... Is this sugar coated? I want to say this is sugar coated because I didn't take Radiant. I want to say this is sugar coated. Yeah, it's more pink. So I took sugar coated, and I'm just doing this all over the nail. So I'm doing a solid on the pinky and then a quote unquote solid glitter. I kind of wanted it to be semi glass nail, semi like full color nail of the glitter. So I loved this nail. This may have been my favorite nail. Maybe, I don't know, when I did the, like, what is it called? The block color. I mean, it's pretty solid, I'm not gonna lie. So I am taking a second coat for both of these, so I'll go ahead and let you watch.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you, I'm gonna try. Hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Reckless, but you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get wrecked.
So I don't know if you remember in, I think it was my sweet pink tutorial, I was talking about an ombre where I didn't use the ideal builder underneath. I went in straight with the white and then the soft pink extreme. This is said tutorial. So I wanted to try something a little different, so I am taking that Marshmellow, which is like my favorite for ombre nails. I might try, I have French tip. I tried French tip forever ago and I failed miserably, so I thought Marshmellow was better, and I may try it again. But I will let you watch this because I have done this many a time.
Was craving, you love it, you hate it. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna lock the door.
coming in with the colored block nail. In hindsight, I probably didn't need to do this V, although I guess it kind of helped the gel stay where the gel was supposed to go. So maybe it was good. But I really just wanted a chunk of gel in that V shape to really kind of set the tone for how I'm going to do this design. And then I grab my brush and that soft pink extreme, which is not like a one step. A one step is like really runny, and then they have extreme, which is not as runny, and then they have builder, which doesn't move at all. So this is like the medium thickness. Like anytime I build up a nail, I'm usually doing one step, but for baby boomers and like this type of thing, I totally am using this, and it worked out fantastic. I loved it so much. So I'm leaving this in real time, so you guys are watching me literally build this bad boy, and then I come in and file to make that edge really crisp, but I'm trying to build it up the best I can. So I've cured that, flash cured that, and then I am taking one step here, and I'm going to build up the nails. So I do that on the pink one and the white one, pink one. I do that on the white one and the glitter one, and I'll let you watch that. So I'm taking my file. I am using the flat side of my file. So this file has a flat side and a rounded side. I am taking that flat side, and since I have that clear base down, I'm just resting it on that clear base and then pushing against that soft pink extreme that is already on the nail. And I'm holding her. You can see she's moving. Normally that would not be the case, but with Henrietta, you know, it is the case, and she moves. So I try my best here. So I cleanse that bad boy because you want nothing on that. And now I am taking the sugar coated again and coming in with the second kind of cut out area. I almost wish I did this a little bigger. I mean, it's still very cute, or maybe did it less, what's the word I'm looking for? Less opaque. Like I wish it had maybe a little bit more see-through, but then again, I have it a little bit down. So maybe I wish I brought everything closer to the edge. Does that make sense? So I'm just tightening this up a little bit and making that kind of V again, and just, you know, wiping away anything extra. And since I'm using that kind of milky color, that I want to make sure I get as much off as possible because it is a little see-through. You don't end up seeing any glitter, but you know, you never know. So I'm coming in with a second coat here, and I'm going to just build this up a little bit. Not too much. That pink is definitely higher still, but I still wanted that second coat. And then I'm actually going to come in with the white after I cure this, but I will let you watch that because it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm taking one step. I'm very lightly dragging it over the pink side because I'm really not using it for the pink side. I'm using it for the white and glitter, but I needed kind of it all over it because I'm going to kind of plop it in the middle and then drag it up and down. And this is the best part about this, is that I file a lot of it away. So the pink is really high and then I kind of drag it down. Does that make sense? So I don't necessarily need it over the pink. I just need it over the white and glitter. So I kind of mess with this a little bit to create a nice kind of smooth. But if it's not too smooth, then I just file it away because that pink is still really high. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if it does. The magic of editing, we're back. I am just doing a slight thin coat over the white nail here, which is with Marshmellow, and then I'm taking sugar coated over that pointer finger. So I'm taking super shiny across everything, and I do realize I didn't film the crystal placement. I am so sorry. It's literally just like a V line thing, so it's not complicated. I didn't do anything special. Again, I left most of this tutorial, if not, I think I left everything in real time. So I will go ahead and let you guys watch this, and then we finish up at the end.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
So obviously I didn't show you the thumb. I didn't even think about filming the thumb because I wasn't messing with it, but I think it ends up all working well together. I just do a glitter ombre on that thumb with the white. I think it literally tied everything together. So I wish I showed it throughout, but I didn't. But thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.